This program is designed to assist you to meet the standard required to pass the New Zealand practical driving test for the following class of licence: 1R, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6R and 6. There are 15 lessons contained in this program. These lessons are designed to help you to eliminate the common faults and to assist you to meet the standard required to pass the test. If you are about to sit a practical test for one of the previously mentioned class of driver licence, it is important that you apply the correct methods highlighted in each lesson. So, you are ready to go for your practical driving test. Welcome to Driving Test Success. Throughout this program, we will show you what to focus on during the test so that you will be confident and relaxed on the big day. You will learn what the common mistakes are and how to avoid them. This program has been produced by a former driving testing officer who has witnessed why people most often fail their driving test. If you are aware of the problems, then you are able to rectify them. There are 3 results you can achieve for a driving test. They are pass, fail, or your test can be terminated. To pass a driving test, you need to obtain 80% or more. A failed test means there has been a repetition of one particular fault or an accumulation of a variety of faults. Obtaining less than 80% is a failed test. A terminated test means the immediate failure of the test. This can result from a serious breach of traffic law or unsafe driving practice. As we go through the lessons in this program, we will clarify what situations represent a fault and in what circumstances a test will be terminated. Like I said, if you are aware of the problems, you can address them. And that is what this program is all about. Before we move on to the lessons, let's have a look at what you are required to bring with you to your driving test. Press the checklist button on the main menu selection. The checklist will explain what is required from you to be eligible to sit the practical driving test.